Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Hamid Mohammed Almantheri. Welcome to our exploration of computer programs. We'll delve into how programs transform computers from mere devices into powerful tools, discover the intricacies of computations from solving mathematical equations to processing images and videos. Join us as we uncover the essential role of programs in making computers functional and versatile. A computer program is a sequence of instructions that enables a computer to perform computations. These computations can be mathematical, like solving equations, symbolic, such as searching or replacing text, or graphical, involving image or video processing. Programs transform computers from mere devices into powerful tools for various tasks. Learning to write programs enhances problem-solving skills crucial for computer scientists. It involves formulating problems, thinking creatively, and expressing solutions clearly. This process not only improves logical thinking, but also provides a practical platform to apply these skills effectively. Computers communicate using machine language, while humans use natural language. To bridge this gap, programming languages serve as a common medium. These formal languages allow humans to write programs that computers can execute, facilitating effective interaction between human intent and machine execution. A programmer is an expert in crafting code, bridging the gap between human logic and machine execution. They utilize programming languages to instruct computers, transforming complex problems into executable solutions. Their role is crucial in developing software that interacts with inputs and outputs, ensuring seamless execution and functionality. Programs are built on key concepts: input, output, sequential execution, conditional execution, repeated execution, and reuse. Input involves gathering data from external sources, while output displays or stores results. Sequential execution processes statements in order. Conditional execution checks conditions to decide actions. Repeated execution loops tasks. And reuse allows code efficiency by reusing named instructions. Python is a versatile programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Created by Guido van Rossum in 1991, it is widely used in various fields, including web development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. Its name, inspired by Monty Python's Flying Circus, reflects its creator's emphasis on fun and creativity in coding. Python, created by Guido van Rossum in 1991, is an easy-to-learn language widely used by organizations like Google, NASA, and Yahoo. Its name is inspired by the British comedy troupe Monty Python's Flying Circus. Python's simplicity and versatility make it a popular choice for various applications, including operating system scripts. Python combines simplicity with power, offering efficient high-level data structures and a straightforward approach to object-oriented programming. As an interpreted, object-oriented high-level language, it features dynamic semantics, making it versatile for various applications. Python boasts several key features. It is a high-level language, making it easy to read and write. Its portability allows it to run on various platforms without modification. As an interpreted language, Python executes code line by line, facilitating debugging. Its object-oriented nature supports encapsulation and inheritance, while being extensible and embeddable enhances its versatility in diverse applications. Python is a high-level portable language, meaning it can run on various platforms without modification. As an interpreted language, it executes code line by line, enhancing debugging. Python's object-oriented nature supports encapsulation and inheritance, promoting code reuse. It's extensible, allowing integration with C/C++ modules, and embeddable, enabling its use within other applications for added functionality. Python is simple and minimalistic, making it easy to learn with its straightforward syntax. As a free, libre, and open-source software, Python allows free distribution, access to its source code, and the ability to modify and use it in new programs, promoting innovation and collaboration. Python is a high-level language, allowing you to focus on programming logic without worrying about memory management. Its portability ensures that Python programs run seamlessly across various platforms without modification, thanks to its open source nature. Python is an interpreted language, allowing you to execute programs directly from the source code. It internally converts the source code into bytecodes, which are then translated into the computer's native language for execution. This process simplifies development and debugging, enhancing efficiency and flexibility in programming. Python supports both procedure-oriented and object-oriented programming. It offers a powerful yet simple approach to object-oriented programming, making it more accessible than C++ or Java. In procedure-oriented languages, programs are built around reusable functions, while in object-oriented languages, programs are structured around objects that integrate data and functionality. Python is both extensible and embeddable. For performance-critical tasks, you can write code in C or C++ and integrate it into Python. Additionally, Python can be embedded within C/C++ programs, providing scripting capabilities to enhance user interaction and functionality. Python's extensive libraries embody the batteries included philosophy, offering tools for regular expressions, documentation, threading, databases, web browsing, HTML, and graphical user interface development. These resources are readily available wherever Python is installed, streamlining diverse programming tasks and enhancing productivity. Interpreters and compilers are essential for translating high-level programming languages into machine language. Interpreters execute code line by line, offering flexibility and ease of debugging. Compilers, however, translate the entire code before execution, optimizing performance. Understanding these tools is crucial for efficient software development and system compatibility. The CPU processes instructions in machine language, a binary code of zeros and ones. This language is inherently simple but specific to the hardware, making it non-portable across different systems. Understanding this limitation is crucial for appreciating the role of interpreters and compilers in translating high-level languages into machine-readable code. Python, along with Java, C++, PHP, Ruby Basic, and Perl, is a high-level language designed for human readability and computer processing. These languages are translated using two main types of translators: interpreters and compilers. Each serves a unique role in converting high-level code into machine-readable instructions. An interpreter reads and parses the source code, executing instructions immediately. This allows for real-time interaction and debugging, making it ideal for dynamic programming environments. Unlike compilers, interpreters do not produce a separate executable file, instead processing code line by line, which can be advantageous for rapid development and testing. Python employs an interpreter, allowing interactive execution. You can type a line of Python, and it processes instantly, ready for the next input. This interactive nature is a hallmark of interpreters. Interestingly, the Python interpreter itself is crafted in C, a high-level language, showcasing the versatility and integration of programming languages. Compiled languages like C or C++ use a compiler to convert source code into binary code, which computers understand. This process requires the entire program to be compiled at once, producing a machine language file for execution. This contrasts with interpreters, which process code line by line. On Windows systems, compiled C++ programs typically have file extensions like .exe for executables and .dll for dynamic link libraries. These extensions indicate the file's role in executing or linking code dynamically during runtime. In Windows systems, files with the .exe extension are executable programs, while .dll files are dynamic link libraries. These files contain machine code that the operating system can execute directly. .exe files run standalone applications, whereas .dll files provide shared functions for multiple programs, enhancing modularity and efficiency in software development. In Python, comments start with a number sign, enhancing code readability without affecting execution. The print function outputs text to the console such as "Hello World" and automatically adds a new line. Comments like "program ends" are ignored by the interpreter, serving as useful annotations for developers. The Python programming environment is versatile, supporting various tools like Jupyter Notebooks. These notebooks facilitate interactive programming by integrating code execution and output in a single document. They are accessible via standard web browsers, allowing for direct sharing, styled text, and the creation of interactive visualizations, enhancing the programming experience. Jupyter Notebooks enable the creation and execution of interactive programs, integrating code and output in one document. They support creation in standard web browsers, direct sharing, and styled text. Additionally, they facilitate the easy creation and display of interactive visualizations, enhancing the programming and data analysis experience. Open Anaconda Navigator and locate the Jupyter Notebooks option. Clicking this will launch Jupyter Notebooks, providing a seamless interface for managing and executing your projects. This integration simplifies the process of accessing and utilizing Jupyter's powerful features directly from Anaconda. The Jupyter Notebooks homepage opens in your browser. To start a new notebook, click New and select Python 3. This sets up a fresh environment for coding and data analysis, allowing you to write and execute Python code seamlessly. To create a new Jupyter Notebook, navigate to the homepage in your browser. Click New and select Python 3 from the drop-down menu. This action will open a new notebook ready for you to start coding and documenting your data analysis or machine learning projects. The Notebook user interface is designed for seamless interaction, featuring a toolbar for quick access to essential functions, a code cell for executing code, and a markdown cell for documentation. Users can easily navigate between cells, execute code, and visualize outputs, enhancing productivity and collaboration in data analysis tasks. Wassalam alaikum wa rahmat Allahi wa barakatuh. Dr. Hamed Mohammed Almantheri.